Hi friends, so now we will see the data types in the Python. Basically, the data type plays very important role in all the programming language, and we can store our data in various forms, like it could be numeric, it could be text format, it could be in true false flag, it could be any complex number, date, time, and many other things that can represent our data. So basically, when we talk about programmatically in Python, we have mainly three data types, that is numeric, string, and Boolean. Numeric is further divided into integer type, float type, and complex type. So what happens when we talk about numeric data type? So in the numeric data type, we can store data in all these three formats, that can be any whole number which fall into integer. Then we have a number like decimal which fall into float, and then we have complex numbers. So complex is itself a data type, right? Now what happens, mainly we use float and integer together for our easy and know all the various operations. So let's just play with some programs. What I'm doing here is, here we are defining a number that is an integer number, and if we check the type of it, it will definitely give the integer, right? Then the number like decimal, the system will automatically get that okay, there is a decimal, so that could be a float type, right? Now we have complex number. So hope you know it, that to define the complex number, we put j at the last of that number, so the number will be considered as complex number. Now what we are doing is, we are having three variable with three values, that is 2, this and this value. So if I print the statement, so it will give me the error, because there is a number which contained integer and string. Okay, but there is no such number like that. I mean, there is no data type like that. So what we'll do is, we'll convert this string first, then it will work fine. But yeah, if it is a complex number, so instead of putting m here, we will put j here, so it will return the complex number. Now let's move forward with string data type. So string data type can store all our text which could be in single quotation and double quotes. All right, and let's play with it. I'm defining a string, that is my name, and I'm getting the output. Okay, now if I check the data type of this variable, so it will return me as a string. Okay, again I'm doing the same thing, it will also return me the string. But what here, the string data type also provide us lots of functionality just beyond the data type, right? So here we can get the length of any string by using the len function. So here the length of my name, that is, my name is Jupiter, it is 19, right? And we can also check the case, whether is caps or a lower case. So to check the uppercase, we use is upper, and to check the lower case, we use is lower, right? So here, as all the string is not in uppercase, so it will return false. But what if I define the all string to upper level? So what it will do is, instead of typing the same string again, we can just put a function that is upper, right? So it will convert the string into uppercase. Then we can also check the is upper again, which will now return true. Now let's play string and numeric number together. So I'm defining a number 1 2 3 4, and I'm telling that okay, just convert this number into string. So it is also very important to know that we can easily convert any data type to other data type. Yeah, we will definitely discuss them below. So what I'm doing is, I'm just telling the data type that I want to convert and passing the variable. Okay, so the variable is as int now, but I want it as a string, so it will convert it a string. But remember that we cannot perform any operation like string float, string integer, like that. Okay, like here I'm doing is, I'm trying to add one string and one integer number, so it will definitely populate an error. But what if there are two string? It will add them, but the addition will not be in the integer, right? Because it is just concatenating two character. So it is not 11, it is a string type that giving me 11 as text. Another data type we have is Boolean data type. So in Boolean, we just represent it by true and false, where true sometimes considered as 1 and false is not. Okay, so here what we are doing is we can check the type of X. As I'm defining this X as true, so it will definitely tell that this is a Boolean type. All right, and for type Y as well, although I have defined here false, but it is also a Boolean type. So true and false falls under the Boolean type. Now what I was talking about is the data type conversion. So it happens, we have to manage our data in each program, right? So for that, sometime we require to change our data type into another data type to get any particular value or to perform any other operation. So for that, what we do is first, as I said, that we define a value and assign this value to a variable. Then what we do is we just checking the type of this. Okay, that is integer. Now I want to convert this integer into the string. Yes, it is possible. So for that, what I'll do is I'll just write the name that I want the output in which data type. Okay, so as it is integer, but I want it in string, so I'll put string in front. Then as it is a function, so and inside the function I'll pass the variable that I want to convert into another data type. Okay, then it will return me as string. Now again, what if I have a string and I want to convert it into the integer? But for that, make sure that if the string is like a numeric, okay, then only it will convert into an purely numeric or integer data type. So as it is 500, it will definitely convert it. But what if I do such like this? So it will say, okay, this is string, but I can't convert it into integer, so leave it as it was. So it will convert it. So far we have done very good job. Thanks.